guys, welcome to a video on Bonfire Night. That it? Dang it!
This could be fun. I'm having a roof put on one of my paddocks.
Yeah, that's cool. If you hear kids in the background, don't blame me. Now just listen. Oh, here's one down. Yep, I got it in camera. Ah, fluff it!
What's this video on YouTube?
Wait, no, that's the fire. Can't get it in the shot. So sorry, guys. So just ignore all these voices in the background.
No, don't say that. That's part of the fun, you wallet.
Yeah, there's just loads of flares everywhere. So this is my first vlog. Sorry. So there's the fire. Oh wait. Wow. Now that was exploding. So guys, just experience me. It's bonfire night and there's little flares after me. I hope you saw that. So come on. We're going a bit far away, so I'm going to get into safety. So you guys can see a bit better.
Okay, they won't hurt you.
Yeah, they will if they get in your eyes.
No, what?
These ones are bothered, aren't they? That was sick. Can I go a bit farther just so I can get a bit of camera view for my fans? Oh no! Someone's going bombing! Oh! Guys, this is going to be so sick. So thanks for the support on the wall balloon vids. That's all I've got to give all props to. You guys just hammed it on that one. How about you try to do it this video? Yeah, I've uploaded 2 new videos, so go and watch them right now. So you guys better be ready. I didn't upload it on Halloween. I uploaded it on Bonfire Night. What an idiot. I was meant to upload it on Halloween. I was a bit too... These ones are bombing. Oh. Bombing.
Right, shut up.
Not the best ones I've seen. Wait for a big one. So my house is just... Nah, I'm not hungry. No thanks, Dad. This is Dad.
Oh, somebody's parking, it's lovely. Oh. Do you like what it meant?
Silly Daddy! Guys, stuff in the trash.
Not anybody else eating that.
I mean, oh, that was a banger! Bangs! So we're going everywhere here just so you can... There's a person lighting off the fireworks. Oh, whoa, whoa! Sorry, I'm taking... I know where it's coming. He keeps on saying, am I hungry? Well, my daddy's just drinking a beer. What do you think, Dad?
Lovely.
That's sarcastic. Oh, now that is a banger. It's kind of scary. Even though I just have a grill.
Try your first piece of parkets if you like it.
Oh. Ginger! I'm so into ginger biscuits, mate.
Yeah.
No, thank you, no more. I'm not that hungry.
Get behind me.
These are the nightmares. You guys are getting 3 here. And I promise you.
You haven't seen them. Oh, yeah.
I'm trying my hardest for you, Dad. It's a hard job for the YouTuber.
How are you doing? You alright? How's the little dog doing? It?
Oh, she's fine. She's all right, I know. Worth the same, like it. How are you?
Take them back 2 or 3 days.
So guys, so yeah, let's just get ready. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't mean to spit. So guys, the fire's getting a bit worse. I tell you what, here goes one lion. Can you guys see that? I hope you can. Just someone walking over. Just some people who I don't know, which I can't sense nothing of. It's a person. Oh god!
So, do you think it's just come from?
So guys, that was a good one. So guys, the fire's starting to hit. So guys, the fire's starting to get dissolved and starting to go. So guys, we just really There's fire needs to go. That's when we stop recording, when the fire goes. Look at it. Wait, bit to the right. Bit to the left.
Unbelievable.
Oh my lord! These things are crazy! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my lord, someone's going!
Leave that with me. We scored off at 91st minute, I think. We scored off at 93rd. Stop to get to Premier League, you love it. I take him to games. We go to odd game and that. But it's hard to get them on Saturday from racing.
Yeah.
Good for Tuesday night game. Sorted it out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little diesel.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see you've got a big Land Rover now.
Yeah.
What do you do? Just get bored?
I just get a bit bored. You
buy
know,
another
them
car.
things that you've always wanted.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's in my game.
Well, my brother-in-law did with his spoon over that. He had one as a young. They're expensive, them things, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, yeah. They keep the price.
Well, like I say, you can buy like a 2000 plate or something worth about £10.
Yeah. And keep the price.
What the jobs on that?
Okay. Here's good one. This is a good one. So you guys get to do the target every day? No, we don't.
We had a fork. It was a new fork.
What is that? Oh my god! What do you think of This is so sick, guys.
And then you've gone to the other extreme where they're really slow, aren't they?
I know, and yes, I do come from England.
Drive up a million miles.
Why won't we celebrate? Guy Fawkes, have it!
It's Marmite, aren't they? You love them all.
So guys, I might have to leave you here. So guys, thank you for all the support. Well, but let's just let this firework go and let's burn off. The fire is burning.
Yeah, I can't do them. Boston actually got tortured. It's got an Audi A4. Had it 4 months and got rid of it. The most boring car I've ever had in my life. We've got a Beam, I love this Beam, and I've got a Murph. It's the best car he's ever had. Because it's a bit cumbersome compared to a BMW. You can swing them about all over, can't you? BMW? Very agile.
Yeah, driver's car. That
So loud, oh, in the very, you know, you're in the
Bye guys!